Hey YouTube, and welcome to another edition of Tutor Rescues Reviews. This one is going to be a comparison of Black Friday mystery boxes. Not Funko mystery boxes, but Deal-A-Day website mystery boxes. The first one is going to be from Woot, and the other one is going to be from Meh. So Woot.com or Meh.com, M-E-H. The Woot.com one is the original Deal-A-Day website that Amazon bought, and it kind of changed. A lot of people say bring back the old Woot, you know, it's because it definitely changed, but we'll see if the mystery box, which is called a bag of crap, is still the, is it a good deal, or is it a good deal of crap, or a really crappy crap? So you're guaranteed one bag and 3 crappy items. My best one was when I got a Eureka Spin Scrub. That was a pretty good deal. Other people have gotten pallets of stuff. I've never gotten a pallet, but I've gotten some pretty big and good boxes. Earbuds and you name it, it's not bad. And so Meh.com was founded by the same person after he sold Woot to Amazon. He worked for them for a little while there, and then he started Meh.com through a company called MediocreLabs.com. And so Meh.com had their bag, or their mystery box, is called IRK, or Instant Regret Kit. It was Bukobakuru or something similar first, but they changed it to IRK, or the Instant Regret Kit. And so they're both normally the same price. This time though, Meh.com charged $50 instead of having a lot of $10 ones. You could buy one for $50, but then if you bought $100 worth of other merchandise, they would then give you $50 back. So that's an interesting deal. But I just bought the box. There was not $100 worth of other stuff on the websites that I was interested during their Meh-rathon, and that. But during Woot, I think I did buy something for their Woot off. So without further ado, I'm going to do the Woot first. And so the boxes are actually pretty much the same size. So this is a 16 by 12 by 10, and the other one. Okay, so both boxes are the same size, 16 by 12 by 10. One I paid $10 for, and the other one I paid $50 for. So the first one is going to be the $10 box from Woot.com. Right. So, and the first thing is the bag. Yeah. And so we have, I totally don't shop at Woot.com. That's not good. Excuse me. Not too bad. I missed out. I wanted to buy, they had a cooler bag that said cold crap, or cool crap. I forget what it was, but so, oh, not too bad. And then we have a crappy ice scraper. So I already got one of those before, and just in case I need to remember medicines again, we have a pill box. I did at one point need them, but now I don't. So here's the first good item. They stuffed it with a lot of good stuff. So this is a Jabra GN pair of earbuds. The top is closed, the bottom was not. So one of the earbuds I got before had earwax on them, and they were a return. This one looks to be brand new. So it comes with 2 wireless wireless charging units. So that right there is worth the $10 that I got it for. Next is a hoodie, a zip-up hoodie in a 2XL. As you can tell, I'm not even an XL. So a 2XL zip-up hoodie with other pockets. And this one is by Blue Rock, New York. It does have a tag on it. It says retail price $98.50. So Blue Rock, New York. Oh, sneakers. Anyway, so next item, another charging base. And so this one, I can do a watch, phone, and AirPods all at the same time. So that's a 3-in-1 wireless charger by Pexis. Next, pair of, it says they're Oakley. So it says it's Oakley. It's got that on there. Valve is the name. Polished black with deep blue iridescent polarized glasses. So unfortunately I can't use them myself because I have prescription glasses. Next, now if these were my size, this might be good, but looks like they were tried on. Is there 8 men's medium, 8 offset? Is that the size? No, it actually, depending on how they are, could be my size. So a pair of Saucony sneakers. Looks like they might have been, I don't know if they've been worn, but I actually do need new sneakers. I don't normally like white anywhere on them, but I do like the black uppers. So that's actually a great deal. And as long as the other one is also 9.5, might work out. So 9.5 is what I normally wear. Oh, darn it! They're 9.5 women's. So close, so close. But now my wife has smaller feet than that, but we'll see if they fit her. But not a bad deal. And the last is a Gore-Tex, an Under Armour with Gore-Tex snow pants. And what size are the? A size 30. So if these are men's 30, that could work. And the regular price, $200. So that is a very good $10 box of crap, or bag of crap. Yeah, box of crap. So, awesome. I will do a quick online price check for them all, and
alarm off.
I'll be right back.
Warning.
Alright, so I'm back after doing all the calculations. Wow, Woot is definitely back with my box. We'll have to see if the $50 one from meh.com can compare, because wow. So, the price tag on the Under Armour was $200, and it's Gore-Tex, so that should be good. And on eBay, someone's selling a camo with black for $180. So again, that's eBay, so it sounds like $200 is pretty spot on for that, so good deal. And then Blue Rock, again, $98.50 is what it is on the tag, and it looks like someone is selling a secondhand, but it says new, unused, for $45, and it looks like a bunch of them are going between $40 and $60 on the secondary market. So then we get to the Oakley glasses, the Valve blue iridescent, or iridium, I'm not sure what they call it, just says irid. So iridescent probably is correct. So the Valve Oakley glasses are $196, but on sale for $112 on Amazon through someone on the marketplace. It looks like everyone is selling it for $112 right now. So 96. Other options are 84-ish to $112. So definitely $100 pair of sunglasses. Then we get to the Jabra Elite 85T True Wireless Advanced Active Noise Canceling Earbuds, titanium black. And these are regular price of $229.99 on BestBuy.com, and on sale right now for $119.99, so saving $110. But in any case, a $230 pair of earbuds in the box. Then the Pexis charger. It looks to be $39.99 on Amazon, so that's another good deal. Then we have the pill organizer, and that's a whopping $4.49 on Amazon. Then the Saucony Women's Freedom 4, and it's looks to be black sunset for the coloring. It's the S10617-45. Regular price is $149.95. Obviously new in box. Those are new, still has the paper in it. So that price is on marathonsports.com. On Dick's it's $149.99. But I guess Marathon has it on sale for $79.95, but still a regular price of $149.99 over on dicksportinggoods.com. Not available in stores or anything, but so that's an amazing deal there. And it seems to be my wife's size, so she'll probably be lucky enough to get those. Then we get to the last two items. We have the ice scraper, and so it's a promotional item, so it just going on in a promotional website and basing it on, I don't know how many they'd buy, 25,000 plus, I don't know, just to stuff it in there, maybe 100,000. So if it's 25,000 plus, which I chose, it's $1.20 per, and even if you order almost $1 million, it's still only going to be just over $1.07, so not much wiggle room there, so just over $1 for that. And lastly, we have the shopping bag, and that again, promotional item, so that looks to be for 10,000 or more, give or take. That's $1.08. So overall, for a regular price for everything, I came to a total of, there it is, $921.20. So for $10, got a value of $921.20. Now we're going to see if meh.com can beat that for a $50 box. So this $50 box, if that can beat almost $1,000 worth of value, we know that it's been a good Black Friday for me. But all right, not as stuffed as the other one, but again, spent $50, so let's take a quick look. And same color bag, red, and dropping, okay, coupons for other websites, Morning Save. So this is their bag. It's wider, bigger, has more detail. So yes, this is red. The light makes it look a little orange right now. Previous years I did get an orange one around Halloween. Like I said, instant regret kit for the bag. First item, women's pants, Galaxy by Harvick. Galaxy by Harvick pants, valued at $28. And this is a size medium. Drawstring. So comfy pants. Again, I don't know if it'll be too big for my wife or not, but we'll see if she likes this. Probably with the drawstring, probably should be okay. And next, size small, medium, sports bra. So there we go there. Oh, this kind of looks, oh, at first I was thinking it was going to be Union Bay with a stripe. So with that stripe, I was like, oh, Union Bay is back. But no, it's another Galaxy by Harvick. These are size large basketball shorts. And now here is a nice bag. Is this yeah. Okay, they're trying to copy Michael Kors. It's a MKF with that there. And does it have what the price should be? No, just the label. Kind of a brown leather bag. Okay, so, and the last thing, if it's a queen size, that might be okay, because it is the color of sheets that I would like, but it has lace on it, and it is queen, and it's the right size. So we have a lace 4-piece sheet set, queen.
One eternity later.
Yeah, so looking at this $50 irk, am I irked? No, because I definitely did very well with the Woot bag of crap. Definitely not looking like we did very good here. So I'll be right back after I do the calculation, and we'll see who wins, because maybe the Mia K collection will blow it out of the water. No. Alright, YouTube, so we're back, and the answer is definitely Woot won this one. By a long shot, by a big amount. In the past, I did get some great things off of meh.com, including I think it was Toshiba receiver. No, not Toshiba.
One eternity later.
That will be Yamaha. So, okay, so I got a Yamaha receiver for home theater in one of my first instant regret kits, or the Fukubakurus. I think I pronounced that right. But this time, Woot definitely beat them. So here are the numbers for the meh.com. For the sheet set, I had a really difficult time finding the proper ones, but it's looking to be 40 bucks, give or take. So 40 bucks for the sheet set, and the Mia K bag, $34.99. So definitely nowhere close to the Michael Kors brand, or designer brand that they're trying to emulate. The Galaxy shorts, $29.90 on the tag. The Angelina bra, they go 3 for $20.99, so $7 each, and only got one. And then the pants, $28, and the bag from the promotional company as low as $1.69. So for meh.com, we have a grand total of $141.58 for a $50 bag of box of mystery box. So for the instant regret kit, definitely more regret. But I'm happy to see that Woot.com is back to sending great bags of crap, because that just blew it out of the water. I do still love playing the random chance of both of them. When we can get it. I was lucky enough to actually get both this time. It's harder and harder to get them as more and more people find out about them. So thank you again for watching Two Door Rescues Reviews. Make sure you hit subscribe down below, tap the bell button so you get notified whenever I post a video, because I don't even know when I'm going to post one, and I need to make sure I catch you on the next one.